Thank you, dear student of class 8. Now, I am going to take online class on narration. Narration, actually, there are two parts. First part is simple narration, and second part is passage narration. Actually, if you want to know and understand the passage narration, of course, you will have to know properly about simple narration. And if you understand simple narration quietly, then you can easily complete the passage narration. Okay? But now I am going to discuss on narration. At first, we have to know what is narration. Narration. Narration means expression of speaker. Speaker. If anybody want to something to other person, and that expression part is narration. And narration can be divided in two parts. Number one, direct narration, indirect narration. Direct narration. Direct narration means if the speaker express his or her idea directly to other is direct narration. Then we can say that if any person expresses his or her idea to other directly is direct narration. Okay? Suppose the first person 1 and second person 2. If the first person 1 expresses his idea to number second person, it is directly expression. That is why it is direct narration. Okay? direct narration has two parts. Number one, reporting verb, and number two, reported speech, such as Rana said to Kamal, I am going to school now. My dear student, look on the blackboard and my writing. We can see here that the first part is Rana said to Kamal. This part is covered with comma. And second part, I am going to school now. This part is covered with inverted comma. Then we can say that the part which is covered with comma is reporting verb. Reporting verb. And the part which is covered with inverted comma is reported speech. Reported speech. Reported speech. Dear student, you can say and look on the blackboard that Rana is first person, first speaker, and Kamal second speaker. We find here that the first speaker Rana expresses his idea to Kamal second person. I am going to school. This is the idea of first speaker Rana. That is why it is called the direct narration. Okay? But wait for some time. The student, actually, we have to change from direct to indirect narration. If you want to change from direct narration to indirect narration, of course, you must have to learn some rules how to change from direct to indirect narration. I am going to give you these rules how to change from direct to indirect narration. We shall have to change from direct to indirect, according to classification of sentences. You know that there are 5 parts of sentence. Number 1, assertive; 2, interrogative; 3, imperative; 4, optative; and 5, exclamatory. At first today, I shall discuss on assertive sentence and assertive narration. Narration. Dear student, if you want to change from direct to indirect, then the tense will be changed. Will be changed as following. Present indefinite will be past indefinite. Present continuous present past continuous present perfect past perfect present perfect continuous past perfect continuous past indefinite past perfect past continuous past perfect continuous shall should will would had to. Okay? Now, then, here, there is am, are, was, where, was, where, had been, have, has, had. This, that, these, those, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day. My dear students, actually, if you want to sense from direct to indirect narration, then you must know and how to sense, ten sense what. And always you should have to look the reported speech, which sentence. Okay? And according to sentence, you will have to sense from direct to indirect narration. But now we are going to discuss on assertive narration. Now, if the last part or the reported speech is assertive sentence, then how to sense into indirect narration? If the reported speech is assertive sentence, then we shall have to sense number one, set to of reporting verb will be told. Number two, conjunction is used that and comma, inverted comma, will be out. Number 3, sense of subject of reported speech. Number 4, sense of tense and sensible word. There? Hello? Dear student, I have given an example. Rana said to Kamal, I am going to school now. Dear student, you can see here that two parts. One part is covered with comma and another part is covered with inverted comma. The covering part of comma is reporting verb and covering part is inverted comma is reported speech, but we can see that the reported speech is present continuous tense and also it is assertive sentence. Then if now want to change from direct to indirect, then we shall have to change said to Rana told Kamal, comma and inverted comma will be out and that is used as a conjunction. That the subject I of reported speech, this subject is Rana. That is why here Rana's pronoun is he. Bracket, the first letter R. It is present continuous, but now we shall have to past continuous. M will be was going to school now sense into then. Okay? Luna said to Bina, I have done the work. In the number 2 example, we can see that the first part is covered with Luna said to Bina is reporting verb and second part I have done the work is covered with inverted comma. This is reporting verb and this is reported speech, and reported speech is present perfect tense, but now we shall have to change into past perfect tense. And Luna said to, told, Bina, conjunction that, and comma and inverted comma will be out, and I, since I is Luna, she, bracket L, Luna, past letter, have, past perfect, had, done the work. Okay? My dear students, actually if you want to change from direct to indirect, of course you must take first knowledge of tense and you must get knowledge of sentence. Without sentence you cannot understand, you cannot complete the narration. And today I have completed the first part and asset narration, and next day I shall discuss on interrogative and imperative narration. Thank you very much. Thank you.